during the winter they have some areas closed off that you shouldn't come, and that's mostly because of ice being a slippery hazard. Well, don't pay attention. In fact, they're going to try to go through that barricade. The national park put that barricade up to stop people from going out there for a reason. It clearly says, warning, area closed. But look at those characters there. Folks, you can't fix stupid. Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony, and we are still on the road. Last night we stayed in Tucson, Arizona. This is here at the south rim of the Grand Canyon, and we stayed at a Holiday Inn Express. And as you can see, it is very cloudy today. In fact, right now as we speak, it is lightly snowing and a little accumulation on the ground over the night. Nonetheless, we are going to explore some more of the Grand Canyon this morning. And as soon as we get some food in our tummies, we'll hit the road. Now, last night we stayed in the Holiday Inn. It was about $120. Most of the hotels here, or motels here in this town around this time of year, are a lot less expensive. They'll be 3 times that much in the summer. This McDonald's, as we were told, is probably one of the most expensive McDonald's in the U.S. It is not cheap. This is the only gas station at the Grand Canyon South Rim, and we're not actually on the national park yet. But you see, it's $4.99.9, which is basically $5 a gallon. Down on the interstate, you can get it for about $2 a gallon less. So when you come up here, come with a full tank of gas. We are heading towards the main entrance of the Grand Canyon, and you can see it is snowing. What kind of visibility are we going to have today? I don't have a clue. We are still on our way into the Grand Canyon, and the snow begins to get even harder. Now we have to make a decision where we're going. So there,
we're like crazy.
It's snowing like crazy, and these caribou or elk, look, hey,
I mean, they're just staring at us.
They're just staring at us. Look, a whole herd of them.
They're huge.
You don't see that every day. Look, there's more down here. But wait, there's more. And they're just like looking, hey, look at them idiots. That is so cool. Look, they're over there. They're everywhere. He's telling Debbie, hurry up and close that door. That's funny. We thought we were through with the snow. It stopped for a while, but it's back up snowing again. But I'm approaching the rim of the canyon. Well, one last hoopla to see what we can see. I can promise you, if you come during a snowstorm to the Grand Canyon, you will experience very low crowds. There's the Grand Canyon. You can't see too much from this area back this way. That's all the lodges over there. Snow is coming down pretty heavy. And when I talked earlier about watching your kids, you can see right here, there's no guardrails, no nothing. So it'd be easy to fall over. There's all the mules, or some of the mules, that you can use to go down in the canyon. This is called Mojave Point that we're headed into. You see, right there is a trail right on the very rim of the canyon itself. And with this snow and ice, you know, if you were doing something silly in your automobile, you could very easily find out what the bottom of the canyon looks like.
No, you wouldn't.
You wouldn't make it to the bottom?
You would, yeah, well, you wouldn't know what it looks like because you...
Here is another point. I think with the road conditions the way they are, the parking lot is kind of don't really matter. But there's lots of little pull-outs that you can go and walk over to a point and look out. And of course, from this point, there's no doesn't appear to be any visibility, and you kind of have to hop over these rocks here. So you really can't see what we're stepping on. But look here. You can see this flat rock. You can stand on it. I'm not going to because it's got ice on it, but look. Well, we're there. And that's all you have to do. And that's all she said. Well, I think that's going to be a wrap for the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, I'm so glad we came yesterday to get a little bit of the canyon. It's absolutely zero visibility.
There's absolutely, yes, right, absolutely. You can't see anything. We were lucky enough to catch some elk this morning, and of course, the crow wanted to get in the car with us. Nonetheless, we hope you have enjoyed this video. If you had, be sure to share with your family and friends. But until...
Y'all have a good day.